Hi there, this is Cheryl in the Education Department. I am the Student Services Coordinator, and today's video is going to show you how to register for the entrance exams if you need them for your application. So this is our department website, education.hanover.edu. All kinds of good information on our website, and I encourage you all to use it often. Today, for this topic, we're going to go under prospective teacher candidates. And we're going to go to the admission exams tab. So it will talk a little bit here about the admission exams. And then if you scroll down, click this link to register for the Practice Core exam. You can do this a couple places, but I'm just going to click how to register here. Register online. You can also register by mail or phone. Almost everyone registers online. If I can help you with this, let me know, but just click register now. Okay, so you've got some other options here, but you want to register for a Praxis test. I'm going to back up one step here. The page before, if you have not registered on the ETS Praxis site, you are going to have to create an account here. I can't really show you that because I do have an account already, but probably up in the right-hand corner somewhere, it's going to ask you to create an account. So you'll need to do that. And at the end of that process, I believe it just signs you right in. Then anytime you return, you would sign in and it will have your name here. Okay, we're going to register for a practice test now. And there's information on how to get your Praxis information bulletin if you want to review that. If you want to try to apply for accommodations, please double check this website. I will try to make another video on that specifically, but if you get accommodations and you have an actual documentation of a disability, that may be worth doing for you. You could get extra time on your test. We're going to assume this is all taken care of, and this is just a regular registration for a test with no accommodations. You will have to scroll through all these acknowledgements and then agree. You will have to double check or fill in your information and answer some more questions. And finally, you'll reach this screen. I do like to make clear that Indiana does not require the entrance exam. It's Hanover College and our accreditation agency, CAPE, is the one that requires the test. So you're going to click EPP test requirements, Education Preparation Program test requirements. Once you do that, it's going to kind of look like it didn't do anything, but it is. You got to scroll on down there. Here are the new test for the course Praxis Core exam. I'm just going to ask you to scroll down. Here's the Core Academic Skills for Educators. That is the old test. The new combined test, reading, writing, and math, is this Core Combined Test 5752. If you only need one or two exams, you might choose to just apply for the writing test. 5722 is the old one. 57 2-3 is the newer one. We always recommend you to take the newest test. But for this example, we're going to go ahead and do the combined test, which is all 3 tests. And you have to scroll to the bottom and continue. This page is basically allowing Khan Academy, the free test preparation company, to use some data that might be obtained by you taking the test to make their practice test and such better. You can do whatever you choose here. And there's the test you want, and we're going to actually schedule it now. So you can check to see if there is a testing center near you. The nearest one to Hanover College is in New Albany, Indiana, at Indiana University Southeast, which is over an hour away. So most of our students do use the Praxis test at home option. So I'm going to go forward with that. So the next test, screen, pardon me, is to actually schedule your test. You need to select the time zone you're in. If you're at Hanover and nearby, it's Eastern Standard Time. And so we put that in, and then the test dates that are available are in blue. I'm just going to randomly pick August 25th. And it will give you the available times that you could take the test on August 25th. And scroll on over. It's from 10 a.m. in the morning to 10 p.m. at night, pretty much. So I'm just going to say that I'm going to take mine at 2:20 p.m. and continue. Okay, then they're going to confirm your testing information. So I want to make sure again I've got the right test, the core combined, number 5752. You might note that this test is 300 minutes long. So make sure you've allotted enough time to take all 3 test subjects. If you've done the wrong one, you can remove it. If you anything else, you can kind of change it at that point through these links. I've confirmed and continue. Now we're going to identify that your attending institution is Hanover College. We need to get your test results, so you can put Hanover in and do a search. And there we pop up, Hanover College, so you check that. Hit continue. Double check that you do want your score report sent to your attending institution. There's no cost for that. So you would hit continue. So there's a little more information on this page. You can get your score reports via your online account when you log in. You will get an email when your scores are posted. You can go in there to get your schedule. Usually it's about 10 days for your scores to be available. And you should definitely download your report because you will need to upload it onto your application. So here we are, there's Hanover, and we're going to continue. Here they're talking about test preparation purchases, but actually it costs nothing and they are already pre-selected. Not sure why they do all that, but they definitely have that already there at no cost. So just to continue. So this is your review your order page. Make absolutely sure everything's right. It costs $40 to make a change, and you have to do it at least 4 business days before your test, not including your test day. So it could be very costly if you make a mistake. So here's the cost of your test. Like I said, the test preparation is at no cost. So your subtotal comes on down here. There's no taxes, so it's at $150. Hit continue. You've got your choice to pay, credit or debit card, PayPal, or an e-check. Most people, of course, do have a credit or debit card. A voucher is a very unusual circumstance. You would basically have zero family contribution on your FAFSA to qualify for that. I have yet to have a student who has qualified for it. If you have wanting information on that, you could click what is a voucher. Here's some more policies. You have 30 minutes to pay for the order, but I think it stays in your cart if it times out. So again, it tells you about your cost and things. If you have to make changes, you would have to click that you understand, agree to the policies, and hit checkout. So there's the order summary. Make sure you have your correct information showing here. And you would select your payment method. Can't go beyond that because I'm not going to buy one today, but I hope this has helped you see how to purchase your core admission exam for the application to meet those requirements. And if you have any questions about this, please feel free to reach out to me and I will do the best I can to answer them. Hope this helps. Have a great day. Bye-bye.